Rainbow Moonstone, an amazing balancer for new moon, full moon, moon energy, moon cycles, divine cycles, smoothing out and soothing the edges of energy, especially your emotions. I was hoping this would show us some of the rainbow, but it is hiding at the moment. That is light from the window, so that kind of doesn't count. All right, moving on. Rainbow Moonstone. No matter where in the moon's cycle you are, it is about balance and divine order. The divine order isn't such that it's not in alignment or when you want it. Are you in divine order with your thoughts, your energy, your emotions, and your thoughts so that everything is aligned to manifest for you sooner rather than later? If not, Chalcopyrite, Peacock Ore, clear, balance, and align all of your chakra energies. You can even use a smudge of some sorts, Palo Santo, smudge bundle, to clear out the energy from your home, your office. And then we have beautiful Chrysocolla, peace stone, harmony, balance, self-expression. Are you holding back? And if you prefer not to share your secrets or your sacred desires, write it out in a journal. Whatever comes to mind, you need to get it out from inside and still hold it sacred, because sometimes people poo-poo your dreams and then you get to heal their stuff on top of your own stuff. And I have enough of my own to heal. So I'm not likely to share much with anyone unless I am absolutely sure that there is unconditional support and love. And sometimes there is for a while, and other times it's like, oh, something just popped out of somebody's mouth in a conversation that lets you know that, yeah, they kind of have other thoughts. That's okay. Stop telling them. Stop sharing. Keep it to yourself. Clear Quartz magnifies the energies to help clarify and also protect you from negativity. So magnifying the way to move through energies, magnify the clearing of your chakras, and magnifying through compassion and peacefulness, harmony, your self-expression in ways that support you rather than the opposite. And then we have Kunzite. Very nice high vibe for your third eye, for spiritual expansion and harmony. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.